Sí, ahora estamos en las páginas 44 y 45, las dos secciones a escribir y a comunicarnos. Okay? A escribir, organizing your ideas. As you looked through that short personal profile, in Paso Uno, you had all the information. Now, I don't know how you write in your first language, but this is a writing strategy that works in any language, and so maybe this will help you in your first language as well as your second. But you start out with all the information that you need. And of course, this is where we're at with our abilities in Spanish, as we talk about where someone's from. Now we have some verbs. We can talk about what they study, where they work, those kinds of things. And that's the basics. But we can write full paragraphs that are completely grammatical. They're perfect in every way, by simply using what we know. So don't get bogged down. Just follow the simple process. Use what you know. So as you read that paragraph in Paso Dos, you see where the information comes. You say, well, sure. Those are all of the structures that we have learned. We know how to use ser, we know how to use our other verbs now, and we know what goes with what. We know that hablar is going to go with our languages. You know that trabajar, we either work somewhere or we work at a particular time. With tocar, that's got to have a musical instrument with it. So you make those kinds, you've learned those things, and so when you talk about it, that's exactly how it plays out. So we're going to let you do the next two pasos, paso tres and paso cuatro. Those will be part of your paired activity work, and you just want to follow that same model, get the information from your course mate. Go ahead and then prepare. Now that's done orally, and then you're going to need to pause. You'll take some time, 10, 20 minutes or whatever, and then you write out your paragraph and compare it with each other and check for mistakes, and then those are part of what you'll submit for your paired activity. So it'll be a little more extended to complete that. We just want to say one thing on the A Comunicarnos section. If you remember the first day we talked about the objectives of the course and you went out to visit that page and you saw those things. We've now gone through a good fourth of the objectives for the course. Some of the countries, and also now this saying hello and goodbye and talking about what people do on a daily basis. All those things we are now able to do. And the rubric here on Paso Dos, if you look at that, all of those things you should be able to do, and in a normal conversation, that's the time that it would take. That's very helpful to use that guide. And then again, we're going to leave en acción for the two of you and your course mate, to complete. Follow that carefully. You will need to do some prep as you get your questions ready. But they should be there. You should have made very good progress, and the questions that get the information that you need should already be there for you. So it shouldn't be too demanding. You should already be ready to go for that.